Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English Stories Daily. Today I will tell you a powerful motivational story about controlling your mind and changing your life. There was a young man named Ryan who always felt lost in his life. He had dreams but no discipline. He wanted success but he wasted his time. Every day he promised himself that tomorrow he would change, but tomorrow never came. Days turned into weeks and weeks turned into months. And Ryan remained the same person, full of excuses and regrets. Whenever he saw successful people, he felt jealous and sad. But instead of working hard, he kept overthinking and blaming his situation. One day, something unexpected happened. Ryan met an old man sitting alone in a quiet park. The man looked calm and peaceful, unlike anyone Ryan had ever seen. Curious, Ryan sat next to him and asked, "How can someone be so peaceful when life is so difficult?" The old man smiled and said, "Because I control my mind, not my circumstances." Ryan was confused and asked, "What do you mean?" The old man said, "Your mind is like a powerful tool. If you don't control it, it will control you. And when your mind controls you, it fills you with fear, laziness, doubt, and excuses. But if you take control of your mind, you can create discipline, focus, and success." Ryan listened carefully but said, "I have tried many times to change, but I always fail." The old man said, "That is because you are waiting to feel motivated. But success does not come from motivation, it comes from discipline. You must do what is necessary even when you don't feel like doing it." Ryan felt something different that day. Something inside him started to change. The next morning, for the first time in a long time, he woke up early. His mind told him to go back to sleep, but he remembered the old man's words and forced himself to get up. It was not easy. Every day his mind fought against him, telling him to quit, to relax, to delay his work. But Ryan kept going slowly, small changes. Mind was the key to everything. One day he went back to the park to find the old man, but he was not there. Ryan waited, but he never saw him again. But this time Ryan smiled because he realized something important. The old man did not change his life. He only showed him the way. The real change came from within himself. From that day, Ryan never waited for motivation again. He built discipline, he controlled his thoughts, and he worked hard every single day. Years later, Ryan became successful, not just in his career but in his mindset. He became calm, focused, and strong. People started asking him the same question he once asked the old man. "How can you stay so calm and successful?" And Ryan would smile and say, "Because I learned to control my mind." The moral of the story is simple but powerful. Your mind can be your greatest enemy or your greatest strength. It all depends on how you use it. Stop waiting for motivation and start building discipline. Control your thoughts. Take action every day, and your life will begin to change. Remember, success is not about big steps. It is about small actions repeated daily. Control your mind and you can control your life. Thank you for watching.